So 50 years ago, 5 denominations in Wales, the Anglicans, the Presbyterians, the Methodist, the United Reformed, and some Baptist congregations made a covenant to seek unity. The journey has been hard, there are challenges, and many things are not solved yet. But there have been great joys as well. We are friends now in the churches in Wales. We have learned to love one another, to communicate with one another, and to do mission together. And the aspirations are still strong. Today was a very joyful service. I think people really did enjoy the fact that we were coming together, and there's a desire, a will to go on. Where will we end up? Only God knows, but we're prepared to make the journey.